In just 24 hours, I'll be flying across to meet someone who's about to change my life. He doesn't know me yet, but I've already got a treat in my bag and a 1,000-mile drive planned for our first bonding adventure. His name is Charlie, and he's a rescue that Mimi and I have adopted. I've got more to tell you about Charlie and also why doing the 5BX60 program is just so great. I'm Andy. I'm 77 years old. I'm a certified fitness instructor, a cancer survivor, and creator of the 5BX60 program designed to help people over 60 stay strong and mobile and full of energy. But this video is about preparation for big moments, long travel days, and new chapters after 60. And I'm bringing my 5BX60 routine, my jump rope, and a whole lot of anticipation with me. Let's talk about how I'm getting ready physically and mentally for this wild ride. And stick around before I take off. I've got a jump rope, a stopwatch, and a challenge for you. Think you can beat Andy? We'll find out in just a minute. So here's the plan. Tomorrow, I board a plane for an hour-long ride, and the next morning, I meet Charlie for the very first time. Then we hit the road, just the two of us, for a 1,000-mile drive back home. Now, I am excited, but I'll be honest, it's a lot. Long hours sitting on a plane, airports, hotel stops, driving solo with a dog who's never been on a road trip. However, this is also a perfect opportunity to demonstrate how I utilize 5BX60 in real life situations when things get unpredictable, stressful, or exciting. That's when exercise matters the most. I want to be present and energetic and focused, and that means treating fitness as part of my travel checklist. So let's talk about what I'm doing today to prepare, not just pack my bags, but prepare my body and my mind. First, I do a 5BX60 session. That's 11 minutes, just 5 exercises. And here's why that's non-negotiable today. Because it loosens up my hips and my hamstrings, back, because sitting for hours tightens everything up. It gets my blood circulating, so I avoid that sluggish, that heavy feeling on flights or long drives. And it wakes up my brain because, movement helps me stay calm and alert and it's ready for surprises. So let's walk through what I'm doing right now. Toe touches loosen up the spine and hamstrings, and trust me, this makes the airport seats bearable. Arm circles, I call them spaceman arms. They wake up my shoulder and posture muscles, great for keeping upright when you're carrying bags. Modified core crunches, standing or seated, supports your lower back and helps prevent that slumped forward feeling. Wall or bench push-ups, simple, effective, and easy to do at home or even at a rest stop. And march in place or jumping jacks. It gets the heart rate up just enough to feel alive before takeoff. That's it. No gym, no excuses. The routine is my pre-flight checklist. Now let me show you what's going in my bag. Besides the leash and the dog treats, a resistant band, lightweight and powerful, great for a hotel room or even a park bench. My 5BX60 chart, printed out and saved on my phone, a pair of comfortable workout shorts and shoes, and of course my jump rope. Yes, it's coming too. If Charlie chews it, well, we'll call it a team building exercise. But before that happens, I've got some jumping to do. That's right. It's time for the Beat Andy Jump Rope Challenge. Now, every day I do 100 jumps as part of my routine. It keeps my legs strong, my heart healthy, and my rhythm sharp. You don't need a jump rope to join. Just find a safe space and do the motion. Now, I want to challenge you. Can you beat me? It's not about the number. It's about just showing up, staying playful, and proving that fitness after 60 is not only possible, it's fun. Comment below with how many jumps you got today, or just write, I'm in. We're doing this on the honor system, no prizes, just pride. Let's get moving. Now here's something that I really do want to emphasize. This isn't just physical. Traveling, adopting a new dog, spending hours on the road, that all takes a lot of mental stamina. And regular movement like 5BX60 helps with that too, and it calms my nerves clears my thoughts, keeps me centered. So when I meet Charlie for the first time, I'm not exhausted. I'm not stressed. I'm ready. Let me just take a moment to say something that's right at the heart of aging strong. A pet can change your life, not just by keeping you company, but by giving you purpose, structure, even laughter on days when you didn't think you needed it. Charlie isn't just a dog, he's a reason to get up and move, to go outside, to walk a little farther, to slow down and connect. Research shows that having a pet can lower stress, reduce blood pressure, and even help with loneliness. And that's not a bonus, that's a health span in action. And as we age, we need more than routines, we need reasons. And Charlie, well, I think he's about to give me a few great ones. So the next time you see me on this channel, I'll be somewhere on the open road with Charlie riding shotgun. We'll be filming the return trip, and I'll be showing you how I stay active on the drive, how Charlie and I are adjusting to each other, and what movement looks like when you've got a leash in one hand and 1,000 miles behind the wheel. So stay tuned. You're not gonna want to miss that. So before I go and pack one last thing, let me leave you with this. If you've got a big trip coming up, if you're about to do something exciting or stressful, if you want to feel present, prepared, and full of energy, try a single round of 5BX60 before you go. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to start. And as always, check with your doctor before starting any new exercise routine, especially if you've got any health conditions or if you have any concerns. Visit 5bx60.com to find the chart that suits your level. Join the Beat Andy Jump Rope Challenge. Comments below with your jumps. And most importantly, subscribe to Aging Strong, because this channel is about living better, not older. I'll see you soon. Charlie's waiting.